Hey there, welcome to a new vlog. I really hope you can see me. I've been struggling with being in frame recently. So welcome to a new vlog. Today is Tuesday. I ended the last vlog by saying um I'm going to start this vlog with going to market. But right now as I talk to you, I'm already back from the market because I just went to get few stuff. Like I just went to get protein for soup. I want to make okra soup. I already have okra in there, so I just needed protein. That was why I went to the market, and everything is sold in like the same area. The beef, I bought the fish, the cow skin, everything's like in the same area. So I basically just bought here, turned here, bought here, then bought here, and I started heading back home. So I want to go and make the okra soup now. I don't think I'll show that because I'm really trying to be fast. Um, I also hope to no. I wanted to film today, but I don't think I'll do that anymore. I think after making lunch and after having lunch, I'm just going to I'm going to use today to prep for filming tomorrow. If you understand, like I'm going to pick out outfits, then set my tripod stand against tomorrow, just set it. Then later in the evening, before going to bed, or shall later, yeah, before going to bed, I'm also going to bring out my makeup stuff. You get, so when I wake up tomorrow morning, it's going to be much easier. Everything is already set. I have realized that what actually makes me very tired during filming is when like I have to start doing setup that really takes time. It's very draining. So I think even if I don't do everything, all the setup today, at least picking an outfit and selecting makeup product I want to use to film the video. Yeah, I'll do that today, and setting my tripod stand as well. I'm going to do all that today. Even if I don't complete it, but I'm going to do like 80% of setup today. Then I'll film tomorrow. So after I'm done with lunch, I'm just going to um iron the outfits I want to use. I want to film two videos, two sit down videos. I'm going to iron the outfits. Then what else? Then just chill. Then edit. I always have videos to edit because I keep bulk filming. Bulk filming is really good. It's very productive actually. But it's just that you keep having clips on your phone to edit and stuff. Except you want to take a break and then just keep posting what you already have. But what I'm currently doing, the reason why I've been consistent is I keep bulk filming and editing like that. I think this is a very long intro. So let me just go and cook, and maybe next time you guys see me, I'll probably will be watching TV or something, like just chilling. This is your first time to my channel. Please subscribe. I should have said that earlier. I forgot. So please subscribe. Okay, welcome to the family. It's so special. All I feels when I'm with you. You got me doing things I never thought I'd do. Just so you know, ain't never let you. Good afternoon, everybody. So today's the next day, and this is the next day. Yeah, actually the next day. Today's the next day, and I'm about to do my makeup to film. The weather is really okay today. It's very fair. It's sunny, so yeah, I might need little light. I've just not been very motivated because there's no light, and I'm trying to manage my phone battery. And time right now is like 2 p.m. I want to be done with these videos by latest 5 p.m. Like everything, the three videos I want to do by latest 5 p.m. So it won't be so dark. Though my ring light battery is charged, but that I just want to try and start now, so at least I can film the sit down videos first. I can film those ones my with natural light, then with natural light and little low light. Then the other one I can now use my ring light, like use it overboard. Probably by then it will be getting dark. So that is it. Let me just start. I want to do my makeup. Then guys, my hair, see, I used a bad edge control. So I didn't know that my edge control was already getting bad, and the lady that made it for me, she saw that it was green. It was turning green, but she didn't tell me. She thought that that's how it is, according to her. So when we finished, I saw that this part of my hair was like greenish, you know. So I asked her. She said she was going to use, which she actually did. She used hot water, put like hot water on a napkin, just like soak the napkin with the hot water and use it to press it. And at that point in time, it disappeared. And now today is like 2 days later. Now I'm seeing these green things back. So I'm going to try to do the hot water stuff she did, and hopefully that comes up or probably just disappears for a while, because I cannot film sit down videos like this. Or I'm lucky hoping that it will not show that much in case the hot water thing doesn't work. But that's what I want to try to do now. Do this first before I start my makeup. I already have hot water on fire, so let me just go and try to do this. So you guys will probably see me doing my makeup. Then probably later when I'm done filming. Bye. Just so you know, I'm not for sure. You're mine for sure. You're mine for sure. People will disrespect you. She said, but you still be small picking now. God. It was really a lot. That can even lead into depression, low self-esteem, loss of confidence. It's like this. This thing is so good. It's a dupe for the. It's really like a book, like a diary. Beautiful colors inside. The new. Hello, people of God. It's another day. Today I'm doing something very exciting. Banga soup. Cooking banga soup. I'm so excited. I cannot wait. I've not had banga soup in a long time. And growing up in Warri, like, you should know, if you live in that that's where you grew up in Warri, you should understand banga soup. I just can't wait. I'll try to carry you people along. Bye. Calorie bana, eh? What are you saying? Calorie bana, your God is a calorie bana. You will do it for you. Calorie. Guys who came visiting, blessing of the most. I see a smile. Say hi.
Hi.
Listen, we're almost at 500 subscribers. So. Almost. We are looking fine.
Thank you.